Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my pocket-sized TN from the Traveler's Notebook Online, and I'm going to be using this sampler from Natty Planning. It's the Summer Chic sampler because I'm going to plan in my weekly insert again. This is for the 11th to the 17th of March. So this was last week. I used the Swan Lake sampler. I really loved it. I actually used it. As you can see, I fully filled it out. It didn't leave me too much room to have to fill, so that was really nice. I just used a little bit of Skinny Washi from Simply Gilded. Really happy with it. Check my Instagram if you want to see where all their stickers are from. I tag all the shops. Or just leave me a comment and I will let you know. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. It's Monday morning today. I'm trying to get this done quickly because it's going to be 39 degrees today, 39 degrees Celsius, very hot. You can probably hear my fan. It's already really hot. It's actually 32 degrees already, so and it's 10 o'clock, so that's crazy. But it's only going to get hotter, so I'm trying to get this out of the way so I can bail into my aircon bedroom. Also, excuse my nails, sorry, I'm growing out the acrylics and they look horrible, and my nail polish is all chipped, but yeah, it is what it is. So let's go ahead and get started with this week.